Let's learn Solia. It's choreographed by Fiona Murray and Roy Hadisubroto. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 1 and a restart on wall 3 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and the restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Solia. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a ball walk walk. So we're going to quickly step our right foot next to our left, and then we're going to walk forward left, right. We're going to do a quarter turn mambo cross. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, rocking our left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. Recover on your right and cross your left over your right. And then we're going to look over our right shoulder and snap our fingers to the right as we cross. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to do a chase together. So we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to make that half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then you're going to step your left next to your right. We're now going to point our right toe to the right side and touch our right next to our left. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left. You're doing your ball walk, walk. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a right Dorothy step. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward. We're now going to do a quarter turning lock step. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then step forward with your left. We're now going to do a chase 3/4 turn. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to return to 12 o'clock. And then we're going to weave, crossing our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our point touch. We're going to do our Dorothy into the right diagonal. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 quarter paddle turns. So we're going to make a quarter turn. As we step our right foot to the right side, you're going to push off the ball of your right foot. And as you do that, you want to slightly bend your knees and push your hip to the right, and then recover, pushing your hip back to the left. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to do that again. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder. As we step our right foot to the right side, using the ball of our right foot, we're going to push our hip to the right and then recover back onto your left, pushing your hip back to the left. We're now going to do a mambo quarter turn. So we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a mambo half turn. So we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right. We're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a step lock and a full unwind. So we're going to quickly step our right foot forward. You're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then we're going to unwind a full turn over our left shoulder, keeping our weight on our left foot to return to 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. You just did your weave. So we're doing our 2 paddle quarter turns. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to step our right foot into the right diagonal and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side. We're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto our left, and we're going to press our right toe to the right side with our knee pointed into the left. You're now going to rotate your knee out to the right. We're going to drop our right heel. You're going to rotate your right toe in towards the left and then hitch your right knee up. We're now going to cross our right over our left. Do a big step back with your left, dragging your right foot into your left for the 2 counts. And you're going to hold on count 8 as part of your drag, and then you will start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our unwind, so we're going to do our step touch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. Ball walk, walk. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your ball walk. Ball walk, walk mambo, quarter, turn, cross, snap, quarter, chase, half step, point, touch. Dorothy, quarter lock step. Now your chase, 3/4 turn and your weave. Now your quarter paddle, and your mambo, quarter turn, mambo, half turn, step, lock, full unwind. Step, touch, side, rock, back, press knee in, out, drop, swivel in, hitch, back, big step, drag. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your ball walk. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now the tag is just the last section of the dance repeated. So when we finish wall 1 and we do our step, touch, side, rock, back, side, press, knee in, out, drop, toe, hitch, cross, back, drag, on this one wall and this one wall only, instead of holding for count 8 or continuing that drag, we're going to touch for 8, and then you're going to repeat the last 8 counts of the dance again. So let's do the last 8 counts, replace that full drag with a touch for 8, and then do the last 8 counts again with the full drag. Going into the tag is the only time that you're going to touch on count 8 instead of dragging for count 8. So we would have just unwound. You're going to do your step, touch into the diagonal. So it's step, touch, side, rock, backside, press, knee in, out, drop your heel, swivel your toe in, hitch, cross, back, drag, touch. Now you're going to do the last 8 counts again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Doing that drag in, and then you will start the dance all over again. Ball walk, walk, quarter mambo, cross and snap. So that tag is only going to happen on the end of wall 1. After that, you don't have to worry about a tag again. So you're just repeating the last 8 counts of the dance twice, substituting the drag for a touch going into that tag. Now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 3, so you'll be facing 6 o'clock. It'll be the first time we're doing the back wall. We're going to dance 16 counts of the dance, which is up to your chase, 3/4 turn, and your weave. So let's dance up to that part and then go into the next 8 counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your ball walk, walk. Ball walk, walk, mambo, quarter, turn, cross, snap, quarter, chase, half step, point, touch. Dorothy and your quarter lock step, trace, 3/4 turn, and your weave. Right here, we're going to start the dance all over again doing our ball walk, walk. So we're ending crossed over. You want to think that this step is slightly to the side so that you can step that right foot next to your left and go ball walk, walk, in your mambo, quarter turn, cross, and go into section 1 of the dance. So when we do that, that will become wall 4 because we're repeating the back wall. And then you'll go all the way around. The dance naturally ends facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about an ending. You will do the full 32 counts of the dance, including your back drag. And then I just start with the first counts of the dance. So I do a ball step. And that is how I end the dance, facing 12 o'clock, because there are a couple counts after you do this drag that I just do a ball step so that I'm ending facing front. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do the tag at the end of wall 1, which is just the last 8 counts repeated, substituting that drag for a touch. And then we're going to do the restart on wall 3, and then we will dance wall 4 to the back so that you kind of get an idea of how the dance flows and where everything happens. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our ball walk, walk, mambo, quarter, turn, cross, snap, quarter, chase, half step, point, touch. Dorothy, quarter step, lock, step, chase, 3/4, turn, weave. Now your paddle, quarter, paddle, mambo, quarter, turn, mambo, half, turn, step, lock, unwind. Step, touch, side, rock, back, press knee in, out, drop, swivel toe in, hitch, back, drag, touch. Do your tag, step, touch, side, rock, back, press in, out, drop, toe, hitch, back, drag, start over, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 16 counts, ball walk, walk, mambo, quarter, turn, cross, snap, quarter, chase, half step, point, touch. Dorothy, quarter, lock, step, chase, 3/4, turn, and your weave, restart, ball walk, walk, mambo, quarter, cross, quarter, chase, half step, point, touch. Dorothy, in your quarter step, lock, step, chase, 3/4, turn, and your weave. Now your paddle, quarter, paddle, mambo, quarter, turn, mambo, half, turn, step, lock, full unwind. Step, touch, side, rock, back, press knee in, out, drop, toe, hitch, back, drag, ball walk, walk, mambo, quarter, turn. And after you do the tag on the end of wall 1 and the restart on wall 3, you don't have anything else, and you'll just dance the dance all the way through until the end of the song. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Soul Ya. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.